A good one.
Jay Castroverde, Mike Kinay, Pio Castañeda, and John Paul Apovo ang substitute referee. And we are underway dito sa Cuneta Astrodome, South Cotabato against Abra.
Kung titignan mo, Sedef, bawat posisyon pwede maging key matchup.
Oo nga. Hamito puts it in for 2.
Biro mo, pagpasok ni...
Inbound Manzo, Comboy, corner 3. That's good.
It was a contested shot, but a late one.
Hoson. Enzo. Nalibre si Jammer. Hamito for 2.
Excellent patience that time by Enzo Hoson.
Dali. Elorde layup. Wala. Hamito is blocked. Recovered by Elorde. 3 from Acuna. Yes! Nice action we're seeing here. Tapos ang pasa na agaw ni Concepcion. Comboy lost it. Rodriguez stays behind. Acuna. Oh, nice play from the two veterans.
Give it up to get
one field goal here for Abra so far.
Good hands by Enzo.
And a steal by Hoson. He'll get the 2 points.
Ganda naman ng ginawa na deceleration ni Enzo ron to confidence corner.
Yeah. Totoo yan. As Rari Rodriguez getting the 3 touch.
Mamili ka na lang.
Val Acuna. Yes. That's a simple play. They lose Val Acuna on that one.
Teammates are not expecting this guy to take the shot. Sa kabilang panig, in rhythm, halos lahat. I don't think we've seen a bad shot.
Stable na rin, Coach Christian, after some questions early in the season as Desiderio could not find the mark. Paundo finally changes the script para dito sa Abra. Cruz got the step. Elorde looking for Hoson. Hoson knocks down the 3. Everything in the flow of the offense.
To your point, and that's the difference between a good team and, as Roy Schumann, we got a 3-point play as he decides to put his head down. What's a saying in life? Before you get into that desperate situation, you gotta practice desperation. Why wait for things?
Oh, nice.
Enzo with a nice move in transition, ball fake. That's an old school move.
7 points para kay Enzo Hoson, and I just see yung comfort level ni Enzo Hoson and yung confidence level niya ibang klase ngayon dito at this point of the season with South Cotabato. As first quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
Disrupts your offensive motion because the players tend to stop and look for the mismatch.
But
pero ito, Jerby Cruz with the pop hit. Mga aktor din talaga itong mga player na to
alam mo naman
Anyway, mga officials natin, namumukhang director. Beautiful cut and find by Hamito to Johnny.
Para dito sa mga nakaputi, the South Cotabato Warriors. Janloy Clemente. Hamito finishes.
Changing hands in mid-air.
Mid gets the rebound. June Manzo. Clemente. Nandun si Junicio. Cañete inside. Gets the hook to drop.
And that's the skill of Mike Cañete.
Now down to 9. Batino. Clemente is open. 3. Yes.
Kick out pass by Clemente to hit that one. 6-point lead.
32-26. Tolentino nails the 3.
What a tough shot.
Cañete, double team.
Excellent help.
Tik na maagaw. Bringas. 3 to shoot. Bringas puts it in for 2. Rodriguez able to save the rock. Kyle, 3-pointer. That's good.
Oh, what a catch and shoot 3 that was. Very rare.
I have never been called for a technical.
While talking, baka ikaw mag-invento nun. Ang ganda nung drive, iwan na iwan. Manzo.
39-33. That's the ideal scenario for them, although mahabol pa sila dito. Marquis steps out to the three-point line, and Marquis knocks down the three, and the Weavers within two. This halftime score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
In this game, pero actually sa last stretch ng kanilang regular season, binanggit niya ito kanina sa pregame at inulit niya sa huddle kanina sa halftime. Sabi nga niya, yung talent at sistema nandyan na yan pero yung poise ang kailangan nila kahit may calls or broken plays. Kailangan rin daw nilang maging matalino sa Delphin Coach Christian.
Thank you so much, Sid. And Abra now on top.
Post area.
Yee to Desiderio, pulls the trigger and knocks it down.
We talked about the free throws was 9 for 10. And that means, you know, anytime you get numbers at the line, attempts at the line, as Amito this time finishes strong against the defense of Marquis, Batino, or drives by their guards.
And Sidorifa knocks down the three.
Jun Manzo, for example, had
Iwan kay Val Acuña. Three-pointer, pasok yan para kay Val.
to some play on the three-point line looks so easy as well.
Sidorifa medyo masikip na agaw, and Hosson is away for two. Abra from beyond the arc. They started actually at 1 of 11.
Much improved number, obviously, and Marquis, that number continues to increase in their last game as the best player.
That's true.
Good
Desiderio inside.
Caught the defense in terms of, you know, play and height. Mas limitado as Dumapig finally hits one from the free throw line. Iilan lang.
As Comboy misses the jumper, Marquis.
Ang mabigat doon, tinamaan na sa mukha ito si Dumapig, it seems like.
South Cotabato. Clemente nakatawid. Advantage Abra. Faundo, 2 points. GP Faundo, great press break galing sa Weavers.
That was just a terrific read by Clemente because he was being denied. He read it well, went back door. Cañete with the feed. 2-on-1 on the other end. Finished by Faundo. Ito, another finish at the rim. Easily. This time, John Clemente.
They go down low to Jammer. Mito using the right hand. Wala. Putback is good.
Nice way to stay with the basketball. Same thing goes in a basketball game. Especially from the crowd.
Comboy. That's a tough shot. Yes! Comboy. End of third quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
To run, and the scorers who you could just give the ball to.
Nakawala si Nico Elorde. And he gets the 2 points.
That's a foul of Manzo. Clearly. That is not smart.
It's a great play until I hear the whistle.
Yeah.
Mr. Luanson.
Again.
As Sorella knocks down the jumper.
Ayun, may nakashoot na rin. For this to get out of hand.
A steal by Dumapig. Chris Dumapig taking it strong to the cup. Warriors ahead. And Dumapig claiming he got hit. The Weavers down by 1. The crossover by Sumang. Sidorifa from the corner. That's good.
You just love the mindset.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending. GameX. Comboy knocks down the 3. It's a big shot. Galing kay Wendell Comboy. Shots will complete an 18-point comeback. Mike Cañete puts the finishing touches to this victory by the Weavers. No good on the 3. It was a tough, physical, and rugged battle. But in the end, it's the Abra Weavers coming out on top against the South Cotabato Warriors. And so this final score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX. Let's